To integral mathematics. In this session you are going to learn quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Find the roots of quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So whenever you say the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 in the form, in case x square or x or constant is right answer, you shift and write in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 before solving the equation. Now to quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root d by 2a, minus b plus or minus root d by 2a, and d is b square minus 4ac. D is called discriminant. So while solving term d, we may get in three cases. First case, d greater than 0, it means natural number. D is natural number, so root will get real and unequal root, two different root will get. Next, d equals 0, will get real and equal root. When d becomes 0, we can write the formula minus b by 2a, because b value is 0, so we can, when the value d is 0, formula we can write minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a, no need write full formula. And when d is less than 0, no real root, so we can stop up to d. We can come for the conclusion no real root. So first each and every case we will solve one sum. So for case 1, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal 0. So the value of a is root 2 and value of b is 7, value of c is 5 root 2. First we will find discriminant. D equal b square minus 4ac. So the value of b is 7. So 7 square minus 4 into a value is root 2 and c value is 5 root 2. 7 square is 49, and here 4 into 5 20, 20 into root 2 into root is 2, so 40. So equal 9. So d is greater than 0. See, we can write real and unequal roots. Real and unequal roots. So now here we will substitute the formula x equal minus b plus or minus root d by 2a, and the value of b is 7. So already in the formula we have minus symbol, so minus 7 plus or minus root d value we have found here 9. The value of d is 9 by 2 into the value of a is root 2. So we can write 7 plus or minus root 9 is 3 by 2 root 2. Here minus 7, here plus or minus root 3. So we take first plus root 3 by 2 root 2 and minus 7 minus 3 by 2 root 2. We can simplify it. So minus 7 plus 3 is 4, minus 4 by 2 root 2 and minus 10 by 2 root 2. If we simplify, we will get here 2 and here we will get 5. So minus 2 by root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. Here minus 5 okay, here minus 2, minus 2 we can write root 2 into root 2. So minus of root 2 into root 2 by root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. Here root 2 cancel, so minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. So therefore the roots are minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. So the first method we have solved, and we will go for the second method. So next question is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals 0. Here the value of a is 4 and value of b is 4 root 3 and the value of c is 3. As usual, d equal b square minus 4ac, b value is 4 root 3, so 4 root 3 square equal minus 4 into a value is 4 and c value is 3. Here 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. 4 square 4 root 3 whole square, we can write 4 root 3 into 4 root 3, 4 into 4 16 and root 3 into root 3 3. So 16 into 3 is 48. So 48 minus 48 and d equal c 0. When d is 0, we can write real and equal roots. So when d is 0, we have formed here minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. You can write directly here minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a minus the b value is 4, b value is 4 root 3 by 2 into a value is 4 and same 4 root 3 by 2 into 4. Here 4 cancel, 4 cancel, and here also 4 cancel, 4 cancel. So we'll get minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So when d value is 0, you can write directly minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 4 cancel. So minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Next we will see the third sum. So next question is 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0. So the value of a is 2 and value of b is 1 and the value of c is 4. So coefficient of x is 1 here. So formula d equal b square minus 4ac. So b value is 1 square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 4. 1 minus 4 into 4 16, 16 into 2 32. So therefore d equal, we'll get minus 31. So d less than 0. D less than 0. So we can write here no real roots. So now in quadratic equation 3 cases are there. For each case we have solved one sum. First one, d value is greater than 0, we used minus b square minus 4ac and we applied in the formula. Second, when d is 0, we can apply in the formula minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. When d is less than 0, d value is less than 0 negative, we can write directly no real roots. So in plus 1 plus 2, you know the no, when the value is negative, we will use to say the imaginary root. Thank you. If you like the video, share it and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.